Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are pumping today as the rest of the crypto market is very, very green. But I have some extremely important information that nobody has on the internet or YouTube is sharing with you that I need to share with you in regards Shiba Inu whales, Dogecoin whales, and what the whales are doing behind the scenes that they do not want to tell you about. Make sure you stick around to the very end if you want to hear what is going to be happening to cryptocurrencies this week. So let's go ahead and get into all of these articles, ladies and gentlemen. What we can see is if we go to the charts here, we can see over on the left hand side, Dogecoin is up 4%, Shiba Inu up 4%, and you're gonna say to yourself, okay, it's not that much. But if you actually take a look at the crash yesterday, from where we bounced at, we can see that Dogecoin is one of the biggest bouncers, almost up 12%. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, other cryptocurrencies are bouncing up as well. And this is a very, very good thing. So what is happening right now is Dogecoin whales are accumulating at a rapid pace. Somebody literally just bought millions of dollars worth of Dogecoin right now, and they are doing so at a rapid pace. But let me get into the heart of what is really happening, because this is extremely bullish. So Ethereum whales are adding right now. They just added $1 billion to their holdings. And this is very, very big news. As we can see, there is so much FUD surrounding the crypto market. And what's happening is, despite all the fear, despite all the FUD, despite all the panic, and everyone's saying cryptos are going to zero, the whales are buying up. The whales are buying cryptos up. And let me show you this. And look at this. Here it is. Some even more metrics to confirm our sentiment. Bitcoin traders are overwhelmingly moving coins at a loss, on pace for the most loss volume in 3 years. But it goes on to say that the Bitcoin price has dropped below 15.8 and has caused many traders to finally exit the sector or liquidate assets. Very interesting. Bitcoin is seeing the lowest level of transactions made while in profit since November of 2019. Bounces typically occur when this metric is severely negative. And this metric, ladies and gentlemen, is not only severely negative, it is extremely negative. And these are indications that we have reached a bottom. Look at this. This is even crazier. Increased mentions of dead on crypto social media may be foreshadowing the final wave of needed capitulation. So can there be another crash down? Yes. Will there be? I don't know. It might not happen. But typically what this word means when it circulates, as it says right here, the word dead has been rapidly circulating around crypto platforms in November as one of the more bearish sentiment words. This is a sign of traders giving up on markets rebounding. Ironically, this capitulation is historically when markets rebound. And this is even getting crazier. Look at this. Shiba Inu whales scoop Shiba Inu at a discount, but is it enough to sidestep this bearish phase? So what we can see is Shiba Inu is being accumulated by large wallet investors at a fast pace, and they're scooping up billions of dollars of Shiba Inu at our current prices. The prices are not looking super bullish. Although Shiba Inu and cryptos are bouncing up strong right now, the prices have just crashed all the way from up here in just the last couple of weeks. But guess what happens? After every big crash, there's always is a big bounce. Every single crash, I don't care. There is always going to be a big bounce. So when people are saying cryptos are dead, they're gonna keep going lower. They're gonna crash another 100%. They are wrong. Yes, we can crash lower. We can see another leg down here soon because of all the FUD that's happening. But I think that we are maybe at the bottom. We finally reached the bottom. I thought we were going to, or had reached the bottom this past weekend, but it didn't, and it wasn't the case. So I think the market is going to be bouncing up. And if we take a look at this, ladies and gentlemen, we can see Dogecoin is still holding up above that crazy low of the FTX crash. And Dogecoin may have reached the bottom. The same thing goes into play for Shiba Inu. Almost, literally just by a few dollars, we missed it. Or actually, sorry, by a few pennies. Actually barely by just a tiny little bit for Shiba Inu. Bitcoin and Ethereum did get very close to, or had broken the low of the FTX crash. We can see here that Bitcoin had a low of 15.6 and we touched a low of 15.5. So nothing crazy. Ethereum, I did believe, held up above the FTX low by literally $1. So Interesting. This is a double bottom pattern, which typically results in a very big bounce. So what am I saying in this video? Let me be very clear. What we can see is behind the scenes, the whales are buying. They're accumulating at a rapid pace. The price is going down. Well, actually today the price is going up, but investors and people on the internet are calling cryptos dead. People are panic selling. That's what it showed you in that article, that people for the first time are selling and leaving Bitcoin for the first time at a loss. And that is usually the sign of a bottom. When all the panic sellers, when all the weak hands get out of the market, when they stop selling, because these are the panic sellers are the ones driving the prices down. These fools, once they leave the market, guess what happens? The institutions, the whales, they're not selling, they're buying. And when all of these paper hands get out of the market, when they are shaken out of the market, that's when the market bounces up and recovers. And guess who buys? Guess who buys after the market starts to recover? The people that sold at a loss and that are losing because they sold at the bottom. You never want to sell at the bottom, not financial advice. And these are the same people that buy at the very top without taking any profits. Now, make sure you join the Patreon tier 3 because the market is bounding up right now and there are going to be incredible trading opportunities. If you want to get access to all of my personal exact trades, join tier 3 in the Patreon, where you can be a part of the massive crypto trading community where we are making insane amounts of money. Also, make sure you go over to Bybit to claim your $6,000 deposit bonus. All you have to do is open up an account for the first time, deposit any amount of cryptocurrency using the link in my video description, and you can qualify up to those bonuses. And I also having a Black Friday sale on my mentorship program and course, where I'm teaching people how to make 1 to 2% every single day, where I was able to turn $1,000 into over $1 million in less than a year's time through compounding interest. Making 2% every single day on $1,000 will turn into, believe it or not, $1.4 million. If you're interested in this with the Black Friday sale, apply with the link in my video description. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I will see you all later.